Brian Gamadella here with MarineMax of Huntington. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on a Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. This boat is powered by a single Mercury 300 outboard. This boat has a top speed of 50 miles per hour and a range of 241 miles at cruise. Starting on the transom here, you'll notice you got two rocket launchers. Got a nice live well. Coming into the cockpit of the boat, you got a two-person wide fold-down transom seat. You have your raw water hookup here. You've got nice covers for your on-deck drains here, so they'll catch any tackle, leaves, things like that. Coming to the starboard, you've got nice, again, more tackle storage here. In our bilge compartment, you'll notice your power steering pump, your fuel filters, and your any through holes that you need to access, as well as your batteries, nice and easily accessible. This boat is really a hybrid, socializing and fishing, so it's meant to convert to either one, whichever way you want to go. So you got a nice lounger here. You can lay down flat, and you can adjust at certain heights here. So you can a little aft facing with a little lean to it, or you can have a straight back when you want to face forward. So you have this whole compartment is storage. You could access it from the front when this is in the rear position, or you can access it from here when you're facing forward. You do have a table here, as well as your pole, which will clip into this bracket here. You got 4 rod holders coming up to your helm area. You got a nice Ritchie compass right above. You have your JL audio system, your rocker switches for all of your important functions, and your Simrad radio, easily accessible. This boat is equipped with a pump out head. Coming forward, you'll notice you got really 2 nice lounge seats here. And what's really nice what Boston Whaler does, very large storage on here. So if you want to come take a look in here, you can fit rods in here. So your rod bases will go here, the tips will go way forward, and your bow table is stowed in there as well. On our port side, we got nice drainable storage. So you could load this thing up with ice or fish and have a nice clean place when you want to rinse it out at the end of the day. You'll notice these plastic brackets here. So this will fill in. You can with that cushion that was stowed in the head, and this could be a nice sunpad. This boat is equipped with a windlass and a freshwater shower. The windlass is operated at the helm, or it can be used here with the remote control. Thank you for joining me on our walkthrough of the Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. If you'd like to learn more, contact us here at MarineMax Huntington, 631-424-2710.